How much of the money is applied to public schools per month? Impossible to calculate the exact value because each school or unit receives a certain amount of money, not allowed to be announced, from the programa Dinheiro Direto da Escola, plus some money from Secretaria Municipal da Educação, that divides it according to the number of students and some benefits like alimentation, clothing, books, and scholar material. Why is there so much difference between the education of private and public schools in Salvador if, for example, in US the system is so well organized? Well, there's not only one answer to this one. What I know is that our professionals are graduated, and most of them specialized in some area, like did some course after college. Some of them actually also work in private schools. Well, Brazil is a country that is still in development, so we have our goal to someday maybe hit the organization of other places like you've mentioned, but we're still unable to do it. Not yet. How are the taxes that you, government, collect from citizens every month applied on the public schools? The Fundo Nacional de Desenvolvimento e Educação Básica, Fundeb, has its way to divide the money between Salvador's public needs. For more details, you can see the site www.fnde.gov.br. Does the City Hall plans to do something about the bad conditions of the public schools here? How? Yes, the schools are being reformed. The current goal of our government is to get every school in Salvador better by 2012.